In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall StayFocusd website blocker Chrome extension from your Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to uninstall this extension, you need to go ahead and find a list of extensions that you have on your browser. To do this, head over to extensions icon here and then click on manage extensions. However, if you don't have this shortcut, then you should see we have ellipsis here. Go ahead and hover over extensions, then choose manage extensions, and it will take you to the same page. Here you have two options. You can see a list of all the extensions you have. You can either turn your extension off, and this will make your extension inactive, or if you want to completely remove it, go ahead and choose remove extension and then choose remove to confirm it, and your extension will be removed from your browser. Now if you open a new tab and go to your extensions, now you can see the extension has been removed. So that's how you can remove StayFocusd Chrome extension from your browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.